Family, where life begins, where we learn the meaning of love and affection as human beings. While you're spending quality time with your family and enjoying every single moment, you may worry about the potential threat like viruses, germs, insects, and mosquitoes. That's why we make Bluewhales 3X out of love and care for you and your family. Bluewhales 3X provides 3 features at the same time: surface sanitizer, insect repellent, and air freshener. It kills 99.9% of germs, bacteria, and viruses. It also contains the natural insect repellent eucalyptus oil, and it eliminates anything malodorous with a fresh scent. Most importantly is that Bluewhales is DEET free and gentle on the skin. And we all know prevention is better than cure. It's an act that shows your love and care. Every single contact assures prevention. Bluewhales takes care of you.